Take out your pens and draw dinosaurs today. Draw the outline of the dinosaur's back. Next, the front half of the body. His little hand. Here's the bulging belly. Little hand on the other side. Drawing the cute tail. Its cute little feet. The other foot. Drawing the dinosaur's big eyes. A big mouth. Small nose. And here's the big blush. Now the lines on the body. There's a row of spines on the back of the dinosaur, a tightly packed triangular arrangement. Okay, now the simple pattern is complete. Let's start bolding the edges. Woo! That's great. Now let's get to the colors. Green. Bright yellow. Green. Flesh color. Yellow. Light purple. Rose. Yellow. Blue. Our work is done. It's beautiful. Thank you for watching. See you next time.